version 8.1 of Visual Grasp, we introduced the ability to connect an existing sales order with an order that's in the advanced manufacturing module. So you can see here on this screen I've got an order from a company for a product here called Wish 3, and I've got that line called up on the screen. And what you'll see right here is we have a new field where I can look up an OTB. So this is actually referring to an OTB that's in the advanced manufacturing module. So if I go into that right now, this is the OTB that I created. It's job number 250. And by the same token, I can do that also within here. I can go into this line and I can find an order on there to call up, and I connect it through this method here where I can find the line and save that. So that connects that OTB to that specific sales order. So if I were to refresh the screen now, really quickly here, you'll see that that line, if I go into it, shows that it's connected. I can do this, so I can do that from the D13 screen in advanced manufacturing. I can also do it from this one instead. So let me clear out that association. And now, rather than doing it through D13, I'm going to show you how to do that through 4.1. So on this screen, I can actually just simply look up the open OTB number that I want to connect it to. There's only one here on my screen, but that's the one I actually want to connect it to. And when I save that, that then completes that. This means that you have the ability to pull some statistics out and print them on the packing slips or invoices or pro forma invoices, and they are having to do with the job. So you can print the job date required, the start date, the projected date, the status, the revision, percentage complete, or the number of the actual OTB itself. Anyway, that's a new function in Visual Grasp 4.8.01b.